Good morning, students. This sheet is for the further classification of satellites. As we already know that satellites are of two types, natural and artificial. Natural satellite means the satellite which is created by nature. For example, Moon is the natural satellite of Earth, or for the overall planetary system, around 185 natural satellites are present. Then second category is artificial satellite. The satellite which is created by human and established in a orbit around Earth. That is called artificial satellite. Now we have already studied the parameters related to the artificial satellite, like what should be the orbital velocity for a particular planet. That means a satellite launched for a particular planet, what should be the orbital velocity, time period, height, total energy, etc. So now, depending upon the plane of the orbit in which the satellite is revolving, the artificial satellite is also divided into two parts, that are geostationary and polar satellite. They both differ in the plane in which they revolve around the Earth. Like geostationary satellite revolves in the equatorial plane of Earth. An equatorial plane is the horizontal plane passing through the equator. And polar satellite revolves in the polar orbit of the Earth. Polar orbit is the vertical plane passing through the poles of Earth, North Pole and South Pole. So we will be seeing this detail in the next sheet, and we will be proceeding with our discussion of geostationary satellite first. You can see this diagram. In this, since the equator is the horizontal circle, so equatorial plane is the horizontal plane, this may extend. So the geostationary satellite orbits in the equatorial plane around Earth, and polar satellite means the one which orbits in the polar orbit, which revolves in the polar orbit. Polar orbit is the vertical plane which is passing through North Pole and South Pole. So a vertical plane passing through poles of the Earth is called polar orbit, and the polar satellite orbits in this location. So this way we have differentiated the equatorial orbit and polar orbit. Geostationary satellite orbits in equatorial orbit, and polar satellite revolves in the polar orbit of Earth. Now we will first focus our discussion to geostationary satellite. Now geostationary's meaning. Geo means Earth and stationary means motionless. So with respect to a particular location of Earth, if the satellite appears to be stationary, that is called geostationary satellite. Now there should not be any confusion with this word stationary satellite. A satellite can not be stationary, it should always revolve around the planet. Now since this geostationary satellite has to always see a particular location of Earth, and Earth is also not stationary, Earth is rotating on its own axis. Thus, if this satellite has to always face the same location of the Earth, then it should also be revolving with the same angular velocity of Earth or with the same time period. So in this diagram, one rotating Earth has been shown, and this is the geostationary satellite, established at the height of 36,000 kilometer. This region will be coming in the next sheet. So a geostationary satellite is the one which should always face the same location of the earth. So since the earth is rotating, so this geostationary satellite should also revolve around earth in the same time period which the earth takes to complete one rotation. So since the earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation, so geostationary satellite's revolution should be synchronous with the earth's rotation time. So suppose it starts from here, it should revolve around earth and it should come back to its original position in 24 hours, and this process will continue. So the time period of revolution of the geostationary satellite should be 24 hours. Secondly, the plane of the orbit in which this geostationary satellite should move, that should be also matching with the Earth's rotation plane. Since the Earth's rotation plane is equatorial plane, so this satellite should also move in the equatorial plane only. Otherwise, facing the same location target will not be achieved. Third thing is the direction of rotation of Earth is from west to east. So the geostationary satellite should also revolve from west to east only. If it goes from east to west, then the purpose of facing the same location of Earth will not be fulfilled. Now, to understand this whole process, we can take the help of this small video clip. You can see here that this is Earth which is rotating on its own axis, and this is the geostationary satellite which is revolving around it. And you can notice one thing, that this geostationary satellite is always facing the same location of Earth. So as we have discussed that since Earth is also moving, so in order to face the same location of Earth, this geostationary satellite should revolve around Earth in the same time in which the Earth completes its one rotation. So revolution time of geostationary satellite should be 24 hours. Direction of geostationary satellite should be from west to east, and the plane should be equatorial plane. Thus, proceeding to the further calculation for the geostationary satellite, since we already have the time period of geostationary satellite as t equal to 24 hours, so using this data we can calculate the height of the satellite. So because we have already derived that height is related to the time period of any satellite by this formula, so here all the parameters are constant except this t. And since the t value, capital T value means time period of geostationary satellite, that we have already discussed that it should be 24 hours, and let us convert it to seconds and let us put it here. All other data are related to Earth. So if we substitute all these parameters, then we are getting the height of geostationary satellite as approximately 36,000 kilometer. So a geostationary satellite is established at 36,000 kilometer height from the Earth's surface. So this way, here we have discussed the geostationary satellite's logic, and now we will be concluding the conditions which are required for it in the next video.